How to block email on AOL. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can block emails on your AOL account. So first of all, go to any web browser on your PC and in the web address bar type in AOL. Now go to the AOL web page and log into your account. Now once you're logged into your AOL account, simply go to mail and now it will take you to mail.aol.com. And now once you're on this page, go to inbox and there you'll see the list of all of the mails that has been sent to you. So now let's say you want to block this person right over here. So if you open the mail, there you won't find any option where you can block this person. So in order to do that, what you have to do is go to options on the top right corner of your screen. After that, go to mail settings. Now you can see various options on the left and you can see the option block senders, but this is not the place where you block senders or email. So what you have to do is go to filter settings and then click on create filter. Now you'll have to create a filter. Let's simply name it block, and then under from let's enter the user or email which we want to block. Now once you've added the person whom you want to block, simply click on the option move to folder and then you can choose trash. That way if you click on save, whatever email this person sends you will directly go to trash, and that way it will be just like blocking the person, as you won't have to see their mail. So that was the only way on how you can kind of block emails on your AOL. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.